Welcome. My name is Peter Strong and I'm a professional mindfulness therapist specializing in mindfulness therapy, which I offer online via Skype for the treatment of anxiety and depression and also for agoraphobia. So if you'd like to learn how to overcome agoraphobia without medication, do please go to my website and read my pages on the treatment of agoraphobia using mindfulness therapy. It's important to understand that medications don't actually treat agoraphobia, they treat the symptoms of anxiety, and they simply mask those symptoms. They reduce them, but only in a temporary manner. The underlying cause of your anxiety, your panic attacks, your agoraphobia, remains untouched by medications. If you want to really overcome agoraphobia, you have to change those underlying psychological patterns, those emotional habits that create the anxiety in the first place. So this is essential. And this is what we focus on during these online mindfulness therapy sessions for agoraphobia. You don't need medication, you need instead to develop a very positive and conscious relationship with your anxiety. When you do this, you actually teach the anxiety how to heal itself by being present with it without becoming reactive. The best analogy here is a parent and child. So the child is afraid. What does it need? What it really needs is to be in contact with its parent who is not afraid. So the fearlessness of the parent is absorbed by the child, and that allows the child to release his or her fear. So this connection between child and parent is extremely important for healing the underlying cause of the child's fear. The same goes for our anxiety, our emotions. They tend to become isolated in the mind. They become cut off from our true self, the bigger aspect of who we really are. When they are isolated, they can't heal, and then they become reactive and create the symptoms of anxiety and panic attacks that you are familiar with. When we build an internal relationship between your true self and your emotions, that allows those emotions to change. And when that relationship is strong and based on consciousness and friendliness, the two key features of mindfulness, then that healing process becomes very strong and very fast. So this approach of bringing mindfulness to the emotional reactions that underlie our agoraphobia is very effective indeed, and produces results in very few sessions compared to conventional talk therapy, and certainly better than medications. So if you'd like to learn how to overcome agoraphobia without medication and using the methods of mindfulness therapy that I teach, please email me and let's schedule an online therapy session. Thank you.